A typical home device that has significantly streamlined the laundry process is the clothes dryer. They operate by spinning damp clothing in a heated drum, which causes the moisture to evaporate and dries the garments. Many products are available, including clothes dryers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. After an extensive investigation, I discovered that these products benefit people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. Let's watch the video without further ado. Number 1. Sentern Electric Portable Clothes Dryer. For individuals residing in studio apartments, dorm rooms, or RVs, the Sentern Portable Clothes Dryer is a fantastic option. A stainless steel tub and a variety of options are included in this compact dryer to match your demands. Moreover, it has versatile installation possibilities, whisper quiet operation, and a wide-angle door opening for simple loading and unloading. Moreover, it has a built-in filter net to catch pet and lint hair. For tiny living areas, choose a compact size. A wide variety of options for various purposes and functionality that is quiet and versatile in its positioning possibilities. Lint and pet hair are collected by a built-in filter net. Number 2. Euhomy Compact Laundry Dryer. The Euhomy Portable Dryer is a strong yet little dryer with a huge capacity of 10.5 pounds, wet clothes. For speedy drying of your garments, this dryer's 1050 W output can achieve a maximum temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit. To provide the greatest drying experience possible, this portable clothes dryer includes a large diameter stainless steel body and a unique internal physical structure. These characteristics make sure there is enough rotation of the clothing, avoid tangles, eliminate wrinkles, heat the clothes evenly, and leave your garments fluffy and comfy. This electric dryer offers 7 drying settings and simple-to-use controls. 120 minutes of hot air are released after 150 minutes of cold air. If the knob does not begin to rotate after 70 minutes in eco mode, you must physically remove the power source or the dryer will cease operating. Eco mode will utilize the humidity sensor to determine the last 20 minutes, as opposed to the typical temperature blowing in the final 20 minutes of regular mode, regardless of whether sensor dry is turned on or not. There will be heated air if the clothing is not sufficiently dry. Number 3. RLime Compact Laundry Dryer. The RLime Small Laundry Dryer is a portable electric dryer ideal for homes, dorm rooms, and other tiny spaces. It has a large diameter stainless steel tumbler that, at a moderate temperature, efficiently gets rid of creases and restores fluffy, pleasant clothes. The dryer features 4 automated drying modes: cold, warm, anti-wrinkle, and hot, and it is extremely quiet, only 57 dB. Furthermore portable, it may be horizontally put or fixed on a wall. What we enjoy: effective wrinkle removal from a large diameter stainless steel tumbling machine with minimum noise, quietness, a quartet of automated drying modes, portability, fast shipping, and a year's guarantee from the manufacturer. Number 4. Costway Compact Portable Dryer. A high-quality stainless steel drum that avoids tangles and eliminates wrinkles is a feature of the Costway Small Portable Dryer, a stainless steel clothes dryer with effective performance, 2 settings, and 3 heating powers. It's ideal for small settings like flats and dormitories since it has overheat protection and certifications for further security and energy efficiency. The exhaust vent may be wall-mounted or freestanding and is conveniently adjustable. What we enjoy: efficacious operation and 8.8 pounds of washing capacity. A stainless steel drum of superior quality eliminates creases and avoids tangling. Protection against overheating and certifications for increased security and energy conservation. Adjustable exhaust vent that is wall or freestanding mountable. Number 5. ROVSUN 13.2 lb Portable Clothes Dryer. With its 1300 watts of power and enormous capacity, the ROVSUN Portable Clothes Dryer is a high-performance electric dryer that makes sure your clothes dry rapidly. With a variety of drying settings available for convenience and health, it is simple to use even for the elderly and young children. Many drying modes and temperature ranges may be sensitively controlled by the cutting-edge LED touchscreen. The dryer also has a mounting kit included for wall installation, making it portable and ideal for tiny places like flats, dorm rooms, and RVs. What we enjoy: 1-year warranty for customer satisfaction, 1300 watts of power for rapid drying, revolutionary LED touchscreen control, small and portable for small places. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.